Amaji Samatun Tain, Radio Voice of St. London.
This is Dr. Terry Jackson. Please tune in. Yazir Kazi. Please listen to this show. This is a very informative show and it will change your life.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In the name of Almighty Allah, the most merciful, the most beneficent, the most kind, the creator of all the universes, one who feeds us, one who has created us, one who gives us life, and one who gives us every pleasure and joy and sorrow, and one who relieves those sorrows. You are listening to Radio Voice of Sindh London, and this is the weekly radio show of Radio Voice of Sindh London, weekly English radio show with the discussion about Sindh and Indus Valley civilization and people of Sindh and personalities of Sindh and everything related to Sindh. And the title of the show is Indus Melodies, and this is me, Yasir Kazi, the host and the executive producer of the show Indus Melodies, saying you all Assalamu Alaikum, Haqq Maujood, Barhaq Maujood, Sada Maujood, Sindh Maujood, Namaskar, Namaste, Sat Sri Akal, Mujrosa, and welcome to the show. Hi listeners, how are you? I hope you are doing good and you had a great week. And you are starting, or you have started a tremendous weekend. I wish you all the best for your weekend, for your tremendous weekend. And we produced the Golden Jubilee episode of our breakfast disc jockey morning show, which is Suraj Shakhon Kadhiyon, yesterday, 10 in the morning as per Pakistan Standard Time. And congratulations to all, and thank you very much to those who congratulated on this special episode. And this is the Silver Jubilee episode, the 25th episode of season 1 of Indus Melody is being broadcasted from Radio Voice of Sindh, London. This is Sajadai, Chanchar, Shamba, Sanichar or Hafta in Urdu. Sajadai, Rajab al-Murajjab 7th. This is the 7th date of Rajab al-Murajjab, the Hijri month of the calendar 1442. 1442 is the Hijra calendar, and this is Rajab al-Murajjab, 7th of Rajab al-Murajjab, February 20th of February 2021, 2021, and this is 8th of Phagun or Phagun, which is the 12th month, the last month of the Bakrami calendar, the local calendar, the Sindhi calendar, which is 2077, and after 1 month, almost after 22 days, we would be starting 2078, the new Bakrami calendar or the new Sindhi calendar. So welcome you all, and let me share with you that the voices which would be ornamenting our today's show are Shahja Fakir, the Faqirs who sing in the particular style of the shrine of the Dargah of Hazrat Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai. We would be starting with the voices of Shahja Fakir, Shahja Ragai Fakir, the singers of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, and then we would be including the voices of Manzoor Sakhirani, Singar Ali Salim, Rubina Qureshi, Shaman Ali Mirali, Anwar Baloch, Zafar Ali, Gigi Abda Parveen, Salim Raza Kumbhar, Zulfiqar Ali and Mazhar Hussain. As we mentioned yesterday, it is the birthday of Gigi Abda Parveen, the great singer of Sindh from Sindh, called Ragaji Rani, the queen of the melody. So we wish a very happy and tremendous and prosperous birthday to Gigi Abda Parveen on the behalf of myself, on the behalf of all my spectators of Radio Voice of Sindh London, and on the behalf of Indus Melodies and Suraj Shakhon Kadhiyon. Let's start with the poetry of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, the greatest poet of Sindh, and this particular melody, this particular item is chosen from his chapter Sur Sasui Abri, the melody of Sasui Abri, which is sung by the group of fakirs, the group of singers who are singing this vai in the particular style, in the certain style which is followed since almost 3 centuries, which is Shahjo Rag. Here we go.
छॾियो पोइ थी जानब जबल गोलिए तलाई तिंगू करी जला तूं जो तलाई तिंगू करे तलाई तू जो ओ बोला साजन सुन निहारी दुखी दो क्यों पुछ वेठन खां पुछ वेठन खां हारे हो तलहो म्या ओ बोला ओ म्या वरी पुछ वेठन खां संदा पार पुनू वरी पुछ वेठन खां संदा पार पुनू कर विरू कुपर कूक मकान धखे वे कर विरू कुपर कूक मकान धखे पुछ वेठन खां सदा पुनू पार पुछ वेठन खां सदा पुनू पार सदा पुनू पार साजन सब जमार दुखी दौर जुड़ील में साजन सब जमार दुखी दौर जुड़ील में साजन सब जमार में पुनू पा वंज झुकी न परे हुब में गोल जो तखे वंज झुकी न परे हुब में गोल जो तको ओ वंज झुकी न परे म्यो सभई सारे ससुई घर कुंडू तू गौर
सभई सारे ससुई घर कुंडू तू घोर
वंजी दूर में डोर दरा मंझ दोस्त थियो
वनी दूर मडोर दराम थे दोस्त थियो वनी दूर मडोर ना ओ ला
अब सगाए वञो कूकी का धके बस गाए म्या ओ वाला ओ म्या
All right, spectators, all right, listeners, all right, folks, we started with the poetry of Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, Hazrat Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, Lakhino Latif, Bhalaro Bhitai, Murshid Latif or Rahbar Latif. These are the names these are the titles with which we remember the greatest poet of this tariff era, Hazrat Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai. This was the melody of Sasui, one of his characters who is sung in 5 chapters, and this is a very courageous character which is sung as an icon by Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai, and this was Sasui's first chapter, which is Sasui Abri. Abri means without water. Ab means water, Ri means without. Abri means one who is without water, who wandered without water, and she opted to wander in the mountains to find his beloved. And by sharing this story, this love story, Shah Abdul Latif Bhitai actually wants to metaphor Sasui as the seeker and Punhu as the divine beloved. You are listening to Radio Voice of Sindh London, and this is me, Yasir Kazi, welcoming you all to the show. This is Manzoor Sakhirani singing the beautiful melody composed by Ustad Manzoor Farooqi, and Ustad Manzoor Farooqi is one of the fine composers from Ladkana. May his soul rest in peace, and he introduced computerized recording in Ladkana for the very first time. So let's listen to this melody which Manzoor Farooqi composed for Manzoor Sakhirani for Pakistan Television, and I hope that you would love to listen this melody which says, I love you the same way as I used to, and there's no change in my love, in my affection. Let's listen to this melody.
प्यार तो समझो सागियो प्यार तो समझो सागियो प्यार तो मुखे यार छोड़ सारियो प्यार तो समझो सागियो प्यार रात ॾींहं आतात तुंहिंजी मूंखे रात ॾींहं आतात तुंहिंजी मूंखे हर घड़ी असां तोखे तसारियो प्यार तो समझो सागियो प्यार दरिन ऐं घट घिटिन में तो लय दरिन ऐं घट घिटिन में तो लय वाजवी जी मूं हमेशा निहारियो प्यार तो समझो सागियो प्यार गीत मुंहिंजा गूंजन था फिज़ाउन में गीत मुंहिंजा गूंजन था फिज़ाउन में अयूब आहिनि त उभ खे ॿुधारियो प्यार तो समझो सागियो प्यार तो समझो सागियो प्यार तो मुखे यार छोड़ सारियो प्यार
Pyar To Samujo Sagyo. We were listening the voice of Manzoor Sakhirani in Indus Melodies. You are listening to Indus Melodies live from Radio Voice of Sindh, London. The interpreter of the sorrows and the joys and the happinesses of Sindh, the issues related to Sindh and everything, every aroma related to Sindh is being broadcasted from Radio Voice of Sindh, London. Tomorrow, February 21, is celebrated and commemorated, endorsed as World Mother Language Day. Everyone should love his or her mother tongue because this is the very first language in which you listen, the very first sentences of your life, which is the very first language which you learn first of all, and this is the foremost duty. This is actually an emotion of everyone's being to love his or her mother tongue. And we should respect all the languages because languages are bridges. Languages are not walls. We should try to learn every language and at least we should try to respect every language because language is the way of communication. Through languages, people communicate with each other. So, happy World Mother Language Day, International Mother Language Day to all and congratulating this day which is being commemorated tomorrow, February 21. Let me take you to the lyrics written by Imdad Hussaini and sung by Singar Ali Salim. Kedo bikhani ma dur vanya to kamur nathindus dur. I may go to far, far, far away, apparently, but I can't be away from you. My soul can't be away from you anyway. Let's listen to the song by Singar Ali Salim.
बिखणी मां दूर वञा केॾो बिखणी मां दूर वञा तो कमूर न थींदुसि दूर केॾो बिखणी मां दूर वञा साहन मां पई खुशबू ईंदी ओ जानी तो तां घोर वञा साहन मां पई खुशबू ईंदी ओ जानी तो तां घोर वञा सुरहो रहंदो तुझ सूर केॾो बिखणी मां दूर वञा मुंहिंजे दिल जी धड़कन आहीं मां तो ते पंहिंजो साह ॾियां मुझे दिल जी धड़कन आहीं मां तो ते पंहिंजो साह ॾियां नेरन जो तूं आहीं नूर केॾो बिखणी मां दूर वञा सोना मन मोहणा सुपरी मुखड़िन जेड़िन अखड़िन सां ओ सोना मन मोहणा सुपरी मुखड़िन जेड़िन अखड़िन सां अञा हिकिड़ो भेरो घूर केॾो बिखणी मां दूर वञा तो कमूर न थींदुसि दूर केॾो बिखणी मां दूर वञा
Alright, folks, we were listening to the voice of Singar Ali Salim, one of the fine singers and composers from this land, from Sindh. And this melody was written by Imdad Hussaini, one of the most senior poets of Sindh. You're listening to Radio Voice of Sindh London, and this is Indus Melodies, and this is my foremost duty to welcome you all to the show. This is the voice of Bulbul-e-Mehran, the nightingale of the Indus, Rubina Qureshi, and she is singing the poetry of Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai again, and we decorate every of our show with the poetry of Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai, who is called and considered to be the school of thought of every dweller of this tariff era. I mean, every Sindhi individual accepts and acknowledges Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai as his school of thought. So, let's listen to this melody from the melody of Marui, which is the symbol of patriotism near Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai. This size, when after being released from the custody of Umar Sumro in Amarkot, when I will return back to my people, return back to my relatives, to Bhalwa, may they accept me as sacred, because I am the sacred soul and I am untouched by any human hands. May they accept me as I was before being in custody of Umar Sumro. Let's listen to this melody written by Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai, sung by Rubina Qureshi. Parchanshal Pamhar. We were listening to Rubina Qureshi, Gigi Rubina Qureshi, and this melody is sung by various singers and vocalists from Sindh, but this was a different tune in which Bulbul-e Mehran, the nightingale of Indus, Rubina Qureshi, Gigi Rubina Qureshi sang this song. You're listening to Radio Voice of Sindh, London, and this is Indus Melodies, and this is The Voice. This is the singing style of Shaman Ali Mirali, and Shaman Ali is currently considered as the most popular singer of this land, the public choice singer of this land, and he says in this melody that, "O the caretaker of the Vidhins, one who knows the mysteries of the Vidhin, is requested to take care of my love, to take care of my sentiments." Let's listen to the song by Shaman Ali Mirali.
Allah
Dilunja Malik, my beloved is handed over to you, O my master, O my God. And this is my prayer to take care of him as well as my love, my sentiment, my emotion. This was Shamar Ali Mirali singing this beautiful melody. You are listening to Radio Voice of Sindh London and this is me, Yasir Qazi. Let me request you, if you are driving, drive carefully, and if you are listening this show alone and there are buddies around you, there are your friends and family members around you and you want to make them listen, don't hesitate to share this link with those. Anwar Baloch is singing this song, which says that all the songs sung by me are yours. You are the authority, you are the master of all those lyrics. So let's listen to this melody by Anwar Baloch in Indus Melodies. Here we go.
जागी मेरे मिठड़ा मुँह जागी मेरे मिठड़ा आहन तुझे का चाल हयाती माँ मुँह जागी मेरे मिठड़ा खिलती तुझी खुशबू हारे हो खिलती तुझी खुशबू हारे फिर कुटी थी याद ले यारे तुझे गिलड़न जी गाढ़ा चाल हयाती माँ मुँह जागी पिड़े मिठड़ा मुँह जागी पिड़े मिठड़ा मन में गई टकटन था है हो मन में गई टकटन था मिठड़ा मिठड़ा चाल मिड़न था भेरो भरी जे मुझे भां चाल हयाती माँ मुँह जागी मेरे मिठड़ा मुँह जागी मेरे मिठड़ा तोले मुझी दिलड़ी मांदी हा हो तोले मुझी दिलड़ी मांदी तुझी जुदाई पन छड़ांदी आओ कार तब बसंतिया चाल हयाती माँ मुँह जागी मेरे मिठड़ा मुँह जागी मेरे मिठड़ा आहन तुझे का चाल हयाती माँ मुँह जागी मेरे मिठड़ा मेरे मिठड़ा मेरे
I dedicate all my songs written by me, sung by me to your name. This was the tremendous melody sung by Anwar Baloch, which we aired right now in Indus Melodies, live from Radio Voice of Sindh, London. The show is live, but of course, the items are pre-recorded in 70s and 80s and sometimes 60s, and some of the items are newest items, and this is always a beautiful bouquet of the items from past and present and having the colors of future. You're listening to Radio Voice of Sindh, London. This is Indus Melodies, and I want to thank all the folks who liked our yesterday's show, including Hafizullah Katto Sahab, Amir Khan Sahab. Thank you very much. You congratulated me and my team on the Golden Jubilee of Suraj Shaakhon Kadhiyon. Thank you very much, Nighat Seema, Farad Salim Sahiba, Amna Halai, Sayyid Asim Ali Shah Sahab, and other fellows who listened to our yesterday's show, and you liked yesterday's show and you congratulated on our Golden Jubilee episode. And also, the majority of the spectators liked the medley which was produced by me, and that was the medley of the songs sung by Gigi Abda Parveen, and that medley was aired as a tribute to Gigi Abda Parveen on her birthday, which is right today. Let's listen to the voice of Zafar Ali singing the lyrics written by Zulfiqar Syal, which say, when he smiled or when she smiled, there was aroma in the air, and whole the town, the people around my beloved were amazed to see this fragrance. Let's listen to Zafar Ali singing this beautiful melody composed by himself.
शाम जी उदासी मारे वाली वने थी, उन शाम जी उदासी मारे वाली वने थी। महबूब जी अदा ते, महबूब जी अदा ते कुर्बान शहर थो महक विकरी हैरान शहर हुआ। उन सां जो ताल्लुक़ उन जो असर आहे, उन सां जो जो असर आहे, हूअं त घणो असां ते, हूअं त घणो असां ते महिरबान शहर थो मुर्दो त महक विकरी हैरान शहर थो। तुझे जानिया जहड़ो न कोई जग में, ऐ जुल्फत तुझे जानिया जहड़ो न कोई जग में। दिल मां सदा उथिया, दिल मां सदा उथिया ऐलान शहर जो मुर्दो महक विकरी हैरान शहर थोआ, मुर्दो महक विकरी हैरान शहर थोआ। उन जे वए कपोए, उन जे वए कपोए वैरान शहर थोआ, मुर्दो महक विकरी
मुर्कियो त महक विखरी हैरान शहर थियो आ. All the town is amazed to see this aroma in the air. You're listening to Radio Voice of Sindh London. This is Indus Melodies. And as we wished Gigi Abda Parveen her birthday, and on the eve of her birthday, let's include her voice singing the poetry of Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai. And this is also one of the melodies of Sasui, the character about which I mentioned earlier. But this melody is with the name of Desi. As I told you, there are 5 melodies. There are 5 chapters dedicated to Sasui, which are Sasui Abri, Mazuri, Desi, Koihari, and Husaini. So this is the melody of Desi dedicated to Sasui, and Sasui says in this way that Munjo lalan ayo pehi visra dard sabhei munjo lalan ayo pehi. When my beloved came on my doorsteps, I forgot all the pains and sorrows and illnesses which were given by his grief, by his being away. When he came to me, I forgot all the sorrows and griefs, and now I am happy. This is the poetry of Shah Abdul Latif Bhittai, sung by Gigi Abda Parveen. Here we go.
Oh, Mia. Oh, Mia. लालन आयो केही लालन आयो केही वियड़ा सुर सभे लालन आयो केही लालन आयो केही वियड़ा सुर सभे जियस जियस मात जेड़ियूं जियस जियस मात जेड़ियूं लालन आयो केही वियड़ा सुर सभे लालन आयो केही वियड़ा सुर सभे जियस जियस मात जेड़ियूं जियस जियस मात जेड़ियूं लालन आयो केही वियड़ा सुर सभे लालन आयो केही वियड़ा सुर सभे छाज डिंगा दे छाज डिंगा दे मुंहिंजो ॾींहुं डिंगो मथिए उठन ओठ अड़न जे छावहीणो वेर कमीनी के जा अमरख आदि फिरे लालन आयो केही वियड़ा सुर सभे लालन आयो केही वियड़ा सुर सभे जियस जियस मात जेड़ियूं जियस जियस मात जेड़ियूं लालन आयो केही वियड़ा सुर सभे देश सेना का जन कहड़ा पिरी परदेसी कहड़ा पिरी देसी सेना का जन परदेसी कहड़ा पिरी लडो लाडूणो कियो पंहिंजे देस वञन पुजाणो पिरन कि जे बस बंभोर खां लालण आयो पे वियड़ा सुर सभेई लालण आयो पे गालियूं कंदियस गुज जो गालियूं कंदियस गुज जो ला मुहा मुकाबिल वे मुहा मुकाबिल वे लालण आयो पे वियड़ा सुर सभेई लालण आयो पे वियड़ा सुर सभेई जियस जियस माता जेड़ियूं जियस जियस माता जेड़ियूं लालण आयो पे वियड़ा सुर सभेई मुठियस झल महार मुठियस झल महार मुठियस झल महार कुठियस काहे मकर हो मुने मोणिया जे निजुर भेरो के जे भतार साजन तुहाधार साजन तुहाधार डिठुम डीहूं के आम जो लालण आयो पे ही वियड़ा सुर सभेई लालण आयो पे हुई शिकस्ती ससुईला हुई शिकस्ती ससुईला हुई शिकस्ती ससुईला राजा पुनु जेरे राजा पुनु जेरे लालण आयो पे वियड़ा सुर सभेई लालण आयो पे वियड़ा सुर सभेई जियस जियस माता जेड़ियूं जियस जियस माता जेड़ियूं लालण आयो पे वियड़ा सुर सभेई दागण डेरण डूंगरन दागण डेरन डूंगरन चनी दिनम दुख से सब भोयम सुख से सब भयम सुख है कांध कारण हो जे लालन आयो पे वियड़ा सुर सभे लालन आयो पे वियड़ा सुर सभे सरकशी सरदार सीला सरकशी सरदार सीला मूक मीणिया के मूक मीणिया के लालन आयो पे वियड़ा सुर सभे लालन आयो के वियड़ा सुर सभे जियस जियस मात जेरियूं जियस जियस मात जेरियूं लालन आयो पे दुरियाई धारा मिट मुया जानथिया मदी डेरन मन में मदी डेरन मन में मदी डेरन मन में खिलो खी कौरिया सुबह थी सारा त उठन ओ तो कुन लालन आयो के वियड़ा सुर सभे लालन आयो के वियड़ा सुर सभे जियस जियस मात जेरियूं जियस जियस मात जेरियूं लालन आयो पे अदियूं आब्द लतीफ चेला अदियूं आब्द लतीफ अदियूं अब्दुल लतीफ चेला अदियूं अब्दुल लतीफ चेला सजन आयम से सजन आयम से लालन आयो के वियड़ा सुर सभे लालन आयो के वियड़ा सुर सभे जियस जियस मात जेरियूं जियस जियस मात जेरियूं लालन आयो पे वियड़ा सुर सभे मुठिया से झल महार मुठिया से झल महार कुठिया से काहे मत रहो मून माणिया जे निजुरे भेरो गिज बदार साजन तुहां धार डिठुम ॾींहुं क़याम जो लालण आयो पेही वियड़ा सुर सभे लालण आयो पेही वियड़ा सुर सभे जियस जियस मात जेरियूं जियस जियस मात जेरियूं लालण आयो पेही पेही.
This is Dr. Terry Jackson, and you're listening to Yazir Kazi. Please listen to this show. This is a very informative show, and it will change your life.
So many happy returns of the day, Gigi Abda Parveen. This is your birthday, and I individually sent the sentiments to Gigi Abda Parveen on the behalf of all of you, and she was very happy to receive the birthday wish, and especially I shared yesterday's medley with her, and she was extremely happy to see all her songs belonging to different times at one place. You're listening to Radio Voice of Sindh London, and this is Indus Melodies being broadcasted from Radio Voice of Sindh London, and this is me, Yasir Qazi.
तो साण सोहबत थी वई जा घड़ी तो साण सोहबत थी वई सा घड़ी वक़्फ़े इबादत थी वई सा घड़ी वक़्फ़े इबादत थी वई जा घड़ी तो साण सोहबत थी वई घड़ी तो साण सोहबत थी वई सा घड़ी वक़्फ़े इबादत थी वई सा घड़ी वक़्फ़े इबादत थी वई. तुंहिंजो ई नालो थो खणा दम बदम तुंहिंजो ई नालो थो खणा गुफ्तगू मुंहिंजी इबादत थी वई गुफ्तगू मुंहिंजी इबादत थी वई सा घड़ी वक़्फ़े इबादत थी वई सा घड़ी वक़्फ़े इबादत थी वई. कोने नो नले कुछ ना दौलते कोने नो नले कुछ ना जहे मथा तुहिंजी इनायत थी वई जहे मथा तुहिंजी इनायत थी वई सा घड़ी वक़्फ़े इबादत थी वई साघड़ी वक़्फ़े इबादत थी वई। छॾे सबको तहू हामी थियो, वियो छॾे सबको तहू हामी थियो। बेकसी मुंहिंजी करामत थी वई, बेकसी मुंहिंजी करामत थी वई। साघड़ी वक़्फ़े इबादत थी वई, साघड़ी वक़्फ़े इबादत थी वई।
You are listening to the poetry of Professor Dr. Ta Muhammad Hami, one of the noted and eminent researchers and poets who left us during early 80s and who belonged to Khairpur, a small village near Khairpur. And Hami Sahab was known as the interpreter and the translator of Hazrat Sachal Sarmast and researcher of Hazrat Sachal Sarmast. So we honor, the Sindhi literature honors him as a great researcher and poet. This song was sung by Salim Raza Kumbhar. We were listening to the song in Indus Melodies, live from Radio Voice of Sindh, London. And this is Manzoor Sakhirani singing this tremendous melody, saying, whenever my eyes are wet and whenever I miss you, I feel like that's the weather in which you have to come. And then I believe that you would come and I keep waiting and waiting and waiting for you. Let's listen to this melody by Manzoor Sakhirani.
घर जी थाही नेण अचन ऐं तुंहिंजा पल पल पूर पवन। जे भर जी थाही नेण अचन ऐं तुंहिंजा पल पल पूर पवन। मूं सम्झो अहिड़ी मुंद में तूं अचणो जे भरजी थाही नेण अचन ऐं तुंहिंजा पल पल पूर पवन। मूं सम्झो अहिड़ी मुंद में तूं अचणो जे उभ में ककर पया झूमन। जे उभ में ककर पया झूमन ऐं हल्का हल्का मींह वसन ऐं हल्का हल्का मींह वसन। मूं सम्झो अहिड़ी मुंद में तूं अचणो जे जी थाही नेण अचन ऐं तुंहिंजा पल पल पूर पवन मूं सम्झो अहिड़ी मुंद में तूं अचणो तूं अचणो काई थधड़ी हीर घुले जे काई थधड़ी हीर घुले ऐं तुंहिंजा माणा याद अचन ऐं तुंहिंजा माणा याद अचन मूं सम्झो अहिड़ी मुंद में तूं अचणो तूं अचणो जे भरिजी थाही नेण अचन ऐं तुंहिंजा पल पल पूर पवन मूं सम्झो अहिड़ी मुंद में तूं अचणो तूं अचणो चांडान करे जे रात पवे चांडान करे जे रात पवे ऐं समुंड जूं वीरूं चोट चढ़न ऐं समुंड जूं वीरूं चोट चढ़न मूं सम्झो अहिड़ी मुंद में तूं अचणो तूं अचणो जे भरिजी थाही नेण अचन
All right, folks. All right, respected spectators of Radio Voice of Sindh London and Indus Melodies, welcome to the show. And this is the time to wrap up the show and say you goodbye. Again, I want to repeat that tomorrow is International Mother Language Day, and let's express the love for our mother language, and let's respect all the mother languages, the mother language of every fellow dwelling around you, and let's love all the languages of the globe, because these are the source of communication between the people living on this globe. So I would be concluding this show with the voices of Zulfiqar Ali and Mazhar Hussain singing the poetry written by Hasan Das, which says, Sari Sindh Priye Jo Pacho, the whole Sindh is like the shadow of my beloved. Therefore, I love every corner of this Sindh. my terra firma. We would be listening this melody and wrapping up the show. If you want to extend your feedback about this show, I mean Indus Melodies or Suraj Shahun Kadhiyon or the presentation shared with you by YQ Music Library or Radio Voice of Sindh London, you can extend your feedback through email. My email is djyasirqazi@yahoo.com, djyasirqazi@yahoo.com or info@radiovoiceofsindh.com, info@radiovoiceofsindh.com. If you want to follow me on Twitter, my Twitter handle is @RJYasirqazi, @RJYasirQazi. If you want to follow me on Facebook, my Facebook page is facebook.com/DJYasirqazi, DJYasirQazi or /Radio Voice of Sindh. If you want to like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel is with the name of Yasir Qazi YSIRQAZI or youtube.com/FMWQY. Please don't forget to press the bell icon for the reception of continuous updates regarding the videos we upload and regarding the live broadcasts we make. So folks, with the strong hope that we would be meeting on Tuesday, 23rd February, inshallah Aziz, 10 in the morning as per Pakistan Standard Time in my Disc Jockey Breakfast Morning regular show, Suraj Shahun Kadhiyon, the sun has spread its light. Let me say you Allah Hafiz because this is the time to wrap up. This is me, Yasir Qazi, signing off from the Karachi studios of Radio Voice of Sindh London and saying you all take care, aloha, goodbye, Allah Hafiz, tata and bye-bye, over and out.
सारी सिंध पीरिय जो पाछो, सारी सिंध पीरिय जो पाछो, जेको जरते जागे थो, जेको जरते जागे थो, जेको जरते जागे थो, जेको जरते जागे थो, सारी सिंध पीरिय जो पाछो, सारी सिंध पीरिय 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 जो पाछो। जो सारी सिंध पिरीअ जो पाछो सारी सिंध पिरीअ 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 जो पाछो कहंदे नेठ कछींदे काछो पंहिंजो पाण लताड़े पाछो तोखां दूर थियासीं छाछो छणदड़ दूर थियासीं छाछो पीला गुल बणियासीं छाछो सखर सोन सरीको आहे दरिया ते जे भुलिजी ईंदीअ रोहड़ीअ रूह लताड़े ईंदीअ पंहिंजे पाण खे ख़ुदि तकींदीअ तुंहिंजी ज़ात ई तोसां मिलंदी तोसां रोई साम्हूं खिलंदी सचो इश्क ॿुढा न थीवे सचो इश्क ॿुढा न थीवे सारी सिंध पिरीअ जो पाछो सारी सिंध पिरीअ जो पाछो जेको जर ते जागे पियो जेको जर ते जागे पियो सारी सिंध पिरीअ जो पाछो सारी सिंध पिरीअ 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 जो पाछो
सिंधु मुंहिंजी अमा सूंह तुंहिंजी मथां छा लिखी छा लिखां छा लिखी छा लिखां ओ सिंधु मुंहिंजी अमा
दुनिया जा सिंधियो हिक मुठ थी सिंध बचायो
सिंधु मुंहिंजी अमा सूंह तुंहिंजी मथां छा लिखां
सिंध जो क़ौमी आवाज़ रेडियो वॉइस ऑफ सिंध लंडन। रेडियो वॉइस ऑफ सिंध लंडन पंहिंजी नशरियात में सिंध जी सियासत समाज इक़्तिसादियात तारीख़ क़ौमी उमंगुनि ऐं इख़्लाक़ियात मुतलिक़ सिंध जी हक़ीक़ी तर्जुमानी कंदे प्रोग्रामनि खे असराइतो बणाइण लाइ सिंध जे घण घुरनि ऐं धरतीअ सां प्यार कंदड़ अदीबनि दानिशवरनि सहाफ़ियुनि उस्तादनि वकीलनि ऐं हर तबिके जे मानवारनि सजणनि खे सिंध में शौरी इनकलाब लाइ सहकार जो सॾु ॾियूं था। अचो त गॾिजी सूफ़ियुनि ऐं संतनि वारी सिंध जो ओज हिकु मुठ थी वरी वापसि आणण वारे सफ़र जा साथारी बणिजऊं। हिकु नए सुबुह जी शुरूआत जो पड़ाॾो घर घर ॻोठ ॻोठ ऐं शहर शहर ताईं पहुचायो। शाल सिंध आबाद ऐं खुशहाल थिए सिंधी माण्हू सुखियो ऐं सताबो थिए।